shining bright. Put your hat and jacket on, tell your mother you won't be long, and I'll be waiting for you round the corner. The old woman thought she killed me, and I let her think so too. As I lay there on the floor, I scarce know what to do. At last she says he's alive or dead, my girl I let him wed. And up I jumps, says thank you ma'am, and to my girl I said, Sarah, Sarah, won't you come out tonight? Sarah, Sarah, the moon is shining bright. Put your hat and jacket on, tell your mother you won't be long, and I'll be waiting for you round the corner.
He gazes at the lights as they flicker across the cove from the windows from down around shore. His heart feels sad, for tomorrow he must go to where his steel cage will toss and will roll. When wet snow falls on grey wharf planks and the north wind cuts just like daggers, and young men go where no men should to serve their time on draggers. And 'tis 10 days on and 2 days off, sideways up and then down. And men have to go where the wind drives the snow, 'cause there's no work back home on the land. And a young wife yearns for the touch of a hand, and the little child cries for her daddy. And mom thinks the worst, and she worries late at night, and dad knows there's no place to be. And he wonders every time if his son will return, or if he'll go like his poor brother John. When wet snow fell on grey wharf planks and the north wind spread grim rumours, and young men went where no men should to serve their time on schooners. And 'twas 10 days on and 2 days off, sideways up and then down. And men had to go where the wind drove the snow, 'cause there was no work back home on the land. To wake up in the morning to the quiet of the cove, and hear Aunt Bessie talking to herself, and to hear poor Uncle John mumbling wishes to old Nell. It made me feel like everything was fine. I was born down by the water, it's here I'm gonna stay. I've searched for all the reasons why I should go away, but I haven't got the thirst for all those modern day toys, so I'll just take my chances with those saltwater joys. Following the little brook as it trickles to the shore, in the autumn when the trees are flaming red, kicking leaves that fall around me, watching sunset paint the hills. It's all I'll ever need to feel at home. This island that we cling to has been handed down with pride by folks who fought to live here, taking hardships all in stride. So I'll compliment her beauty, hold on to my goodbyes, and I'll stay and take my chances with those saltwater joys. How can I leave those mornings with the sunrise on the cove and the gulls like flies surrounding Clayton's wharf? Platter's Island wrapped in rainbow in the evening after fog. The ocean smells are perfume to my soul. Some go to where the buildings reach to meet the clouds, where warm and gentle people turn to swarming faceless crowds. So I'll do without their riches, glamour and the noise, and I'll stay and take my chances with those saltwater joys. Some go to where the buildings reach to meet the clouds, where warm and gentle people turn to swarming faceless crowds. So I do without their riches, glamour and the noise, and I'll stay and take my chances with those saltwater joys.